Well, hi everybody, Castaway Girl 7, and I bought another box of goodies. And I have opened it, but that's just to save time. And it has, I guess it has, looks like 2 bags. Okay, we're going to have some fun. We're going to go through this, and I'm going to shout out some prices, and they're going to be really good, and hopefully you'll like what's in here, and we'll have some fun. Let's just dump this out and see what's in here. Wow. What do you think, guys? Oh, look at this. Well, you know this isn't real. It certainly isn't Chanel. It's wood, and it's all, what would you call it, distressed? Um, it's a keychain, or it could be a purse jewelry, piece of purse jewelry. You just hang it from your purse. Make everybody think it's a Chanel purse. How fun is that? And it's wood. I'm going to say $2. I like that. That's fun. Oh, look at these earrings. Look at those. Aren't they cute? I'm going to say $2 on those also. And, oh, I see all kinds of earrings. What is this? Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. What is this? It's a geisha girl. And, oh, okay. On a braided, what? Oh, look at this. This is interesting. On a braided rope with some, I don't know, these might be lucite, but I bet you this is made, oh, it's got a barrel clasp. That's nice. And it's on wire. Is that wire? Or, no, it's on more cord. And look at these, some of these stones. And then some gold spacers. And then the braided rope. Oh, and something must have been hanging here, but you could probably take that off. Let's see the back. Oh my gosh, it's braided. It's this stuff braided in a different pattern on the back. Oh, this is definitely handmade, and I don't know where. She's kind of pretty. It's a kind of, what do you call that? When it's cracked. I can't think of the word. Oh, my brain has escaped, and I can't find it. It's been rough, guys, the last week or so. So I'm a little slow these days, trying to get my head back. And what do you think? I think that's 16 inches long. That's interesting. I'm going to say $5 on that. That's pretty cool. Oh, look at this. It's a stretch ring. But boy, is that a statement or what? Wow. Guess I'm doing it. I guess I should be doing it this way so you can see it. Right side up. That's quite a ring. I'm going to say $1. Oh, here's that pendant. Look at this. Isn't this cute? The Day of the Dead type thing. And it's in really good shape. All the stones are there. Oh, there's the back. So it's a little Day of the Dead pendant. I'm going to say $1. What is this? Oh, it's got something else attached to it. I don't know. This was a miscellaneous bag, they called it. So I don't know. There might be other stuff in here than jewelry. I'm not sure. These are pretty. Um, it's just pale blue faux pearls with silver tone, I guess, spacers instead of chains. They're wires, I guess, or links. I don't know. What do you want to call them? And it looks like it's about 16 inches. It's very pretty and very dainty. $2. How about that? This is going to be a good sale. Really, very reasonably put. Look at some of this stuff. What is this? Holy moly. Is this dog tags? Here's for the ball chain clips. Oh, these aren't real. What does this say? I am a warrior. Strength, courage, love, power, passion. And then here is a person with a heart. I am a warrior. I don't know. I run for. Oh, these must have been given out at some sort of a what was it, a 5K or whatever, or run, 3K, 1K, whatever. Um, that's kind of cool in a way. $2. How about that? Oh, look at that. That's fun. It's a costume, but it's pretty. Hmm. Let's see what size it is. Oh, did I? Oh, the other one stretch. It didn't matter. This one is not stretch. It has that nice kind of. I like this back here. When it's like that, it only stretches a tiny bit. So, let's see. It's an 8. It could go to an 8.5, maybe. Isn't that cool? It's probably howlite, and it's fancy filigree silver tone around the border, the framing. That's cool. $5 on that one. That's really pretty. This is, this is, this is, okay. It's a bracelet. Um, how about an ankle bracelet? Ah, wow. This is definitely bigger than an 8, a 9. It just fell off the sizer. That's an ankle. Oh, that's a cool ankle bracelet. It's pearls and silver tone and rhinestones. It's something different, you know? I'm gonna say $4. How about that? I'm going in between. I seem to like to do that. What is this? Okay, we got my favorite, a toggle clasp with a heart. And these beads are kind of cold. Oh, look at the carving. Or it's not carving, it's painted. I don't know what it is. What do you think? That's pretty cute. I'm going to say $2. What a deal. Look at these earrings. These are very couture type things. They're pierced. I don't think they're signed. They remind me of Joan Rivers or somebody like that, or Kenneth J. Lane, that style. I'm going to say $2 on those too. This is going to be a really good sale. Look at this. Oh, it's cold. Oh, that's probably a pale amethyst. I would almost bet it is. Pretty. I'm going to say $2 for a chunk of amethyst. Not bad. You know what this is? How many of you know what this is? You should by now. Boy, it's long. This is hematite, which has healing properties, which I could probably use right now, but I think they're the wrong kind. I think it's for people that are anemic or whatever. It's supposed to enrich your blood. Iron, hematite. And it's just a plain, very long. It's about 40 inches long. But anyhow, um, I'm going to say $5 for the hematite necklace. That's a pretty good deal. Oh, what do I see here? Oh, do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? Oh, they're cute. Look at, there's a lot of earrings in here. Wow. Oh, I see a ring. Just glancing. Does this have a mate? Oh, yes, it does. These are cute. Of course, being in Florida, I'm attracted to this kind of stuff. Look at these little dangly things. Aren't they cute? They're starfish and seashells and other seashells. Different kinds of seashells. This one won't turn around. There it is. Aren't they cute? Wow. Okay. They're really nice. And they're about 2.5 inches long. Um, let's see. Or 2 inches at least. Yeah, 2.5. Yeah. There, see? Almost 3. They're really cute. Little statement beach earrings, and before you know it, it'll be time to go to the beach. I'm going to say $5 on those. Those are really cute.